Hello Tech Explorers, is Telegram auto-downloading everything and eating up your stories? No worries, I'll show you how to turn it off in just few taps. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now, go to Settings and tap on Data and Storage. Under Automatic Media Download, you will see three sections: when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, when roaming. Tap on each one and uncheck all media types, photos, videos, and files. No more unwanted downloads filling up your phone. Have you ever run out of storage because of Telegram? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it, your Telegram won't auto-download media anymore. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.